Loose choice.
There once was a puppy named Lou.
She smoked a pack a day or two.
Got sick with a frown.
Then buried it all down.
Instead chose to chase sticks.
Choose a joyful life and quit the awful strife.
The big change. There once was a turtle named Jake.
Who thought smoking was fun? His mistake.
He coughed every day.
And his shell turned gray.
So he quit and now swims in the lake.
It's never too late to quit. Choose health over tobacco.
The Hazy Daisy.
There once was a flower named Sunny.
She thought that vaping was funny.
But then she got caught in the haze.
Her leaves dropped in just a few days.
She quit and now dances so free with Bunny.
Bad habits cause health problems.
Ben bounces back. Ben was a ball who couldn't bounce. One day he realized he must announce. Can't bounce, Ben said. Stop smoking and your problem will end. Ben took the advice and again he bounced. Don't lose your bounce to the smoke.
Grape dog.
Once there was a sweet dog with cancer who needed to find an answer.
He put down the vape and picked up a crepe.
He quit and now he's a dancer.
Stop and find the answer.
The new crew. There once was a blob named Lou.
Who smoked leaves with his crew.
But he gave it up fast.
Now he's healthy at last.
And slides to the jungle feeling new.
Don't fall into peer pressure.
Stu's smoky struggle.
There once was a squirrel named Stu who vaped as some animals do.
but he gave it up fast. Now he's healthy at last
and speeding through the woods like new.
Don't get peer pressured into vaping.
Jake's decision.
A teen named Jake lived down the lane.
He tried some tobacco, thought it was plain.
He coughed and felt sick.
His energy dipped quick.
He quit for good, now he's strong and safe.
Make good decisions, don't smoke.
The smoking saga.
There once was an eagle named Martin.
Who puffed on his smoke with a grin.
But his lungs took a hit.
So he wisely quit.
Now he chews on dried twigs for the win.
Be aware, don't smoke.
Sick cough.
A smoker named Bob was distressed. Found his lungs feeling quite compressed.
Come on.
His cough was so bad, he felt truly sad.
So he quit, and now he is blessed.
Don't let tobacco steal your health and happiness. Say no.
Vape is not your friend.
There once was a cat named Bobby.
He had a very dangerous hobby.
His vape was his best friend. Until he learned his life could end.
Now he has a real friend named Robbie.
True friends care, don't vape air.
Right over born.
Puffed the cigarette, strutted with pride.
Take a drag and enjoy the ride.
No thanks, not my style.
You make breath and lungs turn vile.
Jeff got on his scooter and pushed Puff aside.
Real strength lies in saying no and not by trying to be cool.
Quit the chew.
A fish named Dave always chewed.
Leisurely bit like it was food.
So he saw an addict.
A smoking fanatic. It made him quit and raised his mood.
Don't get hooked. Tobacco is fishy.
Smoked pork.
My will to quit cigs is astronomically big.
Those who smoke breathe like pigs.
Smoking is what always kills.
I'll quit so I can pay my bills.
Mr. Steak, it is your grave I will dig.
Smoking will take you from riches to rags.
Stormy decay.
Battles the cloud blue smoke rings all day.
Till her raindrops turned acidic and gray.
She wept a foul drizzle.
Made flowers all fizzle. So long smoke, now her drops won't decay.
Every puff harms more than just you.
Pablo en la demencia.
Pablo de la esquina fuma pura nicotina.
Desde que vive en la ruina.
Tenía la cara amarilla.
Le dijo el de la pandilla.
Dijo, esto no es vida. Entonces lo cambió por vitaminas.
La salud es muy importante.